Assalamu alaikum dear listeners, I welcome you all again with a new video. As we have already learned small letters A to Z, so let's learn capital letters now. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Open page number 8 of your English book. Here we will write on 4 lines. The first letter is A. Start from the first line, make a slash line. Now again make a slash line. Then fill this gap. This is letter A. The next letter is B. Here start from the first line, come down and stop at third line. Now make a curve from the first line, again make a curve. This is letter B. Then we will write letter C. Start from the first line, go round and round and stop at third line. This is letter C. Now let's write letter D. Here again we will start from the first line, come down and stop at third line. Now go round and round and stop at third line. This is letter D. The next letter is E. Start from the first line, come down and stop at third line. Now make a short line on first line, again make a short line and again make a short line. This is letter E. Now we will write letter F. Start from the first line, go straight, come down and stop at third line. Now make 2 short lines on first line and second line. This is letter F. The next letter is G. Here we will start from the first line again, go round and round and make a short line in the second line. This is letter G. And after this we will write letter H. We will write H. Start from the first line, come down. Now again start from the first line, come down and fill this gap. This is letter H. The next letter is I. Start from the first line, stop at third line. Now make 2 short lines on top lines and bottom lines. This is letter I. The next letter is J. Here start from the first line, go round and stop. This is letter J. Let's write letter K. Start from the first line, go down and stop at third line. Now make 2 slash lines. This is letter K. After K, here is letter L. Start from the first line, go down and make a short line on third line. This is letter L. After this, we will write letter M. What we will do, start from the first line, come down, make a slash line, again make a slash line and come down, stop at third line. This is letter M. After M, we will write letter N. Start from the first line, come down and stop at third line. Now make a slash line, go up and stop at first line. This is letter N. This is letter O. Start from the first line, go round and round and again stop at first line. This is letter O. Let's write letter P. Start from the first line. Come down. Now make a curve on first line. This is letter P. After this, let's write letter Q. Here we will make O again. Go round and round, round and round. Then make a short line. This is letter Q. After this, we will write R. Start from the first line, go down and stop at third line. Now make a short curve and short slash line. This is letter R. After this, we will write letter S. Here we will go round and again go round. This is letter S. The next letter is T. Here we will start from first line, go down and stop at third line. Now make a short straight line on its head. This is letter T. After this we will write U. Start from the first line, go round, make a curve and go up. This is letter U. After this, we will make two slash lines. Again go up and stop at first line. This is letter V. After V, we will write letter W. Start from the first line, come down, go up, come down, then again go up. This is letter W. After W, we will write letter X. Here we will again make two slash lines. From first line to third line, again first line to third line. This is letter X. Now we will write letter Y. Here we will write letter Y. Make a short V, short V. Then make a short straight line. This is letter Y. After this, we will write the last letter. It's Z. Make a short lines. Make a short straight line. Then make slash line. Then go back at third line. This is letter Z. I hope you understand to write these capital letters with formation. Do page number 5, 6, 7 and 8 in your English book. Goodbye.